are making pizza for the first time, and we're gonna make a salad for some dinner. So I have some pre-made dough here on my pan that's greased with some oil, and we're gonna press out our dough. Can you help Mommy? Press it. Now we got Connor here. He's gonna wash his hands, and he's gonna help. You need soap. Wash your hands. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay, Connor, ready? You're gonna help us. You're gonna pat it. So once you have your oven at 350, you're gonna bake your pre-made dough for 8 minutes. And then once it's pre-baked, we're going to put our toppings on and bake it again. So the secret to cooking or baking with toddlers is having everything prepared and ready for them to use. So we have for our pizza, a Hawaiian pizza, we have tomato paste, shredded marble cheese, ham, and pineapple. And we just gotta wait for our crust. While we're waiting for our pizza crust to bake, we're gonna make a Caesar salad. So I have some chopped up and washed romaine lettuce. The kids can help you wash. We have our Caesar salad dressing, our croutons, and our Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna add the dressing. Who wants to help Mommy? Who wants to help Mommy? You wanna help me? Need 2 hands. Ready? What is it? Wow. Oh, careful. Be prepared for lots of messes. Can you help Mommy put some of these in here? Ready, go! Toss the salad. Mix it. Hiya, 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 hiya. Yeah, go, Connor. Again. Again. Hiya, hiya, hiya. So we have our crust. We're adding our sauce here. There you go. Here. Here, Connor. Here. Spread it like this. Can you paint it? The truck is on the pizza. Okay, let's spread it. We need to spread all the sauce around the pizza. Now we're gonna put the cheese. Can you help Mommy put the cheese like this? Connor just eating the pizza. Connor, here, help me put some cheese on there. You guys are just eating everything. Okay, now we're gonna put our ham. Let's put ham. Who wants to help me put the ham? Put ham on the pizza.
They're eating that.
Ham. Hey, don't eat that one. Put some more. We lost one.
Mango!
It's not mango, this is pineapple. Looks like mango. Can you help me put the pineapple on? You like pineapple? I don't know if you've ever had pineapple before. Hey, don't take the one off my pizza. Ready? Put it back on our tray. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna clean up. Can you help Mommy clean up? By eating all the cheese. So I think cooking as a family is very important, and it's a fun activity that we can all do together. Just go in with no expectations. They may do what you want them to do. They may just explore on their own. They may sample everything and not cooperate, but I think just providing them the opportunity is really important, and just kind of exposing them to different experiences, different foods, and it's just something that we are trying out a lot more and trying to get them more involved in the kitchen. Pizza, where are you? Pizza.